on the show yesterday mentioned a new kind of music. Well, what do you think? Seems to be a little too much wow and flutter for the right speaker.
I am authorized by John Edgar Hoover, the Director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, to guarantee you safe delivery to the FBI. Where are all your high and mighty and influential friends now?